the bigger concern that I have, and one that we didn't ask directly in the study, I kind of wish we had, but the question we didn't ask was one that we did ask some of our clients, or what they proactively told us, which was not the challenge with denying contractors access, but the concern that contractors that shouldn't be there are just being let in, which is arguably a bigger problem, because if you have contractors that haven't done their safety training, they or their company have not updated their insurance documents or renewed it, et cetera, and they're being let in on site, I mean, that's a problem waiting to happen. Someone has an accident, next thing you know, there's a fine, a lawsuit, a regulatory issue, someone gets fired over it. It's not a good place to be if we're letting people in. But that's kind of what we heard throughout the data in this report, and what we heard from our clients is that when processes are manual, when they take too long at the time of a contractor arriving on site, what unfortunately happens is the front desk, the security people, or so on just say, Bob was here 2 weeks ago. I'm sure he's fine. Come on in, Bob. I'm not going through all that hassle of logging into that place or checking that folder. It's probably fine. And yeah, 99% of the time it may be fine, but that 1% of the time it may not be fine. And if there is a problem with that person coming in, now that's where we get to all the problems that I described before, which can be, really not a good place to be if it's a problem and someone was let in when they shouldn't have been let in.